testing out our latest Repower. We took an OMC Sunbird and got rid of the OMC. Took off the 115 Ficht, threw on a Mercury Fourstroke 115 command thrust. Got him some nice fresh power, no more two-stroke oil to fill up in that tank, no more primer bulbs, no more smokiness, no more wondering if you're gonna get home or not. Got a new set of controls in there, made a nice cover to cover up the old OMC control. Old OMC steering was still in great shape. This thing steers beautifully still, so no reason to change that. Changed out the tachometer so that would read correctly. Got a new hour meter on her and stayed with all the rest of the old OMC gauges. So they called it as good as it gets. Well, I'm gonna say that it just got a little bit better with this new power. These guys are gonna be able to go out, enjoy the water, great fuel economy, no more smoky two-stroke, and this bad boy is going to start for them every time and get them home. For all your Repower needs, give Fallon Marine in Lake Havasu City a call, 928-302-4447, and as always, enjoy the water.